The program is called Just One because it only takes one person to make a difference.
I grew up in this community. I grew up in Newark, New Jersey, and it can only survive if we give the right tools, again, using the soccer as a tool to give these kids confidence in their own daily lives, giving them an opportunity to do something positive, giving them an outlet to run, to jump, to laugh, to have fun, to meet other kids. But it's important because we need to help these kids develop. Again, I invest in this community, I live in this community, and I want to stay here, and I want to make sure the community keeps getting better and better and better.
Community is important in the inner city. Leagues like this, they represent an extended family. It teaches you how to work together, learning how to give back, watching the coaches give back, watching the parents give back, teaching the kids to give back themselves. That's what's going to help grow our communities. That's what's going to help grow our kids into citizens.
Before you start your games, you have to do community work, And it's not that the park is dirty or anything, but it's a meaning of having the kids carrying a garbage bag and picking up, little things here and there. And that's kind of, promoting work in our community, keep our community clean. It has a lot of meaning into it that they eventually are going to carry on to all their lives.
Recreation activities like the ones Just One Soccer offer are very important. Our kids are bombarded with the bad news and everything that's going on outside. So having a place to come every Saturday for games and a couple of times a week is very, very important, so we can, bring up our kids with positive images, not only the bad stuff that they hear all the time around them.
If I want this community to succeed, I've got to do more. I've got to give more of my time. I was lucky that I started volunteering at a young age, but we have people that don't know about the benefits of volunteering. And as a coach, I get to tell that to people. I coach, I give up, 3 hours a week to spend my time with kids so that they get to learn more and they get to see a positive role model. It's very beneficial because I get to, have fun outside of my own work. For me, volunteering is all about fun, getting these kids to learn, to play, and just, for me it's fun. I like this. It's something that I put on my schedule that's for fun and not for work. I don't sit behind a desk when I'm coaching soccer. I'm on the field, and my assistant coach always jokes because I have my shin guards and my cleats on during the practices because I like to run around too. It makes me feel like a kid again.
A lot of the kids don't have that stability at home. They need to see that there are adults in the community that care about them, that want to see a change in them, that want to see them. That want to see them improve and succeed. We have so many kids that are of varying personalities and characteristics and come from all different types of households. So if the community gets involved, it's supporting the parents, it's supporting the families when they don't have that support.
You cannot measure what self-confidence can do. A confident child will turn into a confident adult, and there's no stopping them. Anything they put their eyes on, they're able to achieve.
I think when a child has confidence, it allows them to take chances and try new things, not be afraid to participate in things that they may feel that they can't do. And I think that allows them, as they get older, to carry that confidence with them.
I volunteered my time for this organization because I saw the impact that it had on my son's life, and I wanted to be a part of my community and to give that opportunity to other children.
The league's been around for 16 years, and we've had kids that have gone off to college, that have started careers, kids that would have been, again, sitting home playing video games if they weren't part of the Just One Soccer League. Kids that may have started playing in high school because of Just One, because of experiences as kids playing soccer, who have gone on beyond the shyness of just sitting in the corner. We have kids that are the top of their classes. We have kids that have won scholarships based on merit because of what they learned with our league. And we have kids that come back and volunteer, which is important. If you look out on the field, you see the young referees and the young coaches. Those are our kids that were here, the first kids that were part of the Just One Soccer League many years back, that come back to give back. And that's a very important part of why we do what we do, so that the kids that are following us give back to the kids that they need to teach to keep the community going.
I am only one, but I am one. I cannot do everything, but I can do something. And I will not let what I cannot do interfere with what I can do.